Am I audible? Am I audible? Am I audible? Hello? Yeah. Hi all. We'll just wait for another 5 minutes so that we can start the presentation. Right. Very good evening to all of you. We welcome you all for the pre-placement talk, Diploma Engineer Trainings with L&T Construction. Let me introduce myself. My name is Arun. I'm from campus recruitment team from Chennai office. We are a 3-member team. Let me introduce Mr. Charan Kumar Shetty, who's heading the campus division, and my fellow colleague, Mr. K.C. Vishnu Prasad, who are part of our Chennai team. Let me introduce my Mumbai campus team headed by Mr. Ashish sir, along with the members Sambit and Mayank, are part of the campus team. First of all, I would like to congratulate all the eligible students who are selected for the campus selection process with L&T Construction. And I would sincerely thank all the TPOs, training and placement officers, and their placement coordinators who made all the candidates, eligible candidates, to register the process on time. So let me take into the presentation. So it is a tagline, it's all about Imagineering. So this caption is all suits for our L&T. So we go as per the imagination and we bring as per the reality in the world. So let me share a few iconic projects which are developed by Larsen & Toubro. As you all aware about this statue, this is world's best tallest statue built by L&T, Statue of Unity. We have completed this project with a record span of 33 months. It is world's tallest statue, 183 meters, built by L&T. This is one of the largest religious gathering in the globe, Kumbh Mela, wherein L&T has contributed in developing a smart solution in controlling the whole crowd. This is one of the largest blast furnace built by L&T. This is one of the landmark structures built by L&T, Baha'i Temple in New Delhi. We as L&T also take part in building the defense as well as the projects. We have built most international airport terminals in India. These are the significant project airport terminals in India. A few snapshots for you. The world's largest high vacuum pressure vessel. And this is the Madigada Barrage, which was built in a record month of 24 months. This is one of the integrated glass platform in Saudi Arabia, which is built in the sea. So similarly, so if you have been, shortlisted from the L&T Construction's interview process, you will be working with one of the iconic projects in the future like that. So just to give an overview about Larsen & Toubro. Larsen & Toubro was founded by two Danish engineers, Henning-Lock Olsen and Søren Christian Toubro, in the year 1938. And we are India's #1 engineering company, and we are the leaders in infrastructure, heavy engineering, power, hydrocarbon, manufacturing and defense units. We have a headcount of 45,000 plus employees spread across India globe. And we are turnaround of a Larsen & Toubro is USD $21 billion. So let me take into your business verticals, which L&T has its own. So our business have segregated into 4 different categories. One is the construction part, EPC projects, manufacturing, defense and services. So if diploma engineer trainees have been shortlisted, you will be identified in one of the business units under L&T construction, namely heavy civil infrastructure, buildings and factories, transportation infrastructure, power transmission, water effluent, material and metallurgical handling, and geostructure. So these are the other business vertical wherein L&T has its own. So we'd like to give you a quick snapshot about what L&T Construction has developed so far with the iconic projects. Similarly, we recently built our Motera Stadium, which is in Gujarat, which is in the leftmost corner, built by Buildings and Factories Division. The next picture, which has been constructed by our Transportation Infrastructure Independent Company, is the Mauritius Metro. And the third one is the Chevuru Bridge, which is constructed by our Heavy Civil Infrastructure Independent Company. Floating solar project by our Power Transmission and Distribution Independent IC. And wastewater treatment plant by our Water and Effluent Treatment Independent Company. And the stock and the reclaimer by Materials and Metallurgical Handling Company. And the piling work will be handled by our L&T Geostructure Company. So these are the few unique projects and the voluminous projects handled by the L&T Construction Division. Moving on to the next vertical is our EPC projects, namely the hydrocarbon projects, which has the offshore and the onshore projects, modular fabrication units and construction services. And we have power plants, coal and gas, power plant equipment, and also the valve sector. So these are classified under EPC projects. So the next vertical we would like to know is that the manufacturing division, wherein this independent company involves heavy engineering, machinery and industrial products, rubber processing machinery, and steels and heavy forging. These are a few quick snapshots to be shown to you. As I showed you in the previous iconic projects, we contribute our L&T's contribution towards defense is for a kind snapshots. We design and we made weapon systems, land-based weapon systems, and naval platforms for weapon systems. We also have floating dock of the Navy and aerospace systems and solution as a part of defense unit. So this is the last services independent vertical, wherein our L&T Infotech, L&T Technology Services, Smart World and Communication, L&T Nest, Mindtree, and Reality are the part of the services verticals of L&T, Larsen & Toubro. L&T has a global presence across 30+ international countries. Here's a quick snapshot on that. So it is widespread across the globe. These are the few accolades and the rewards and the recognition received for L&T by the global market leaders. We received the Company of the Year. We have been declared 12th Best Indian Brand in 2019, the Corporate Governance and Sustainability Vision Award, and we are the top 100 most innovative companies declared by Forbes. We are the only engineering and construction company being featured in that award. So what makes L&T unique? L&T is a professionally managed company. It is owned by the public, financial institutions, and it is owned by our employees, our own employees. It is not an overdriven company. It is a professionally managed company with over 80 years of leadership in the same construction business lines. We focus more on the learning and the training and development. We have a good proven track record of significantly achieving the international and national projects, which we have shown in the previous slides for you. So why to choose a career in L&T? So it is now a right, decision for you to join in a good company. Since you have a very good passionate towards engineering, then you are in the right path of, joining the L&T. So let me just give you an example of our own group chairman, Shri A.M. Nayak sir, who was joined as a junior engineer way back in 1960s. It took along 30 years for him to become a group chairman because of his sincere leadership, keen towards working in his professionalism. And the second most example is our own CEO and MD, Shri S.N. Subramanian sir, who is now acting as present CEO. So he also joined our company as an engineer, and now he has reached this position in a span of 20 to 25 years. So look at his dedication level, and they have reached the topmost section. Okay, fine. So we focus as an L&T, we focus more onto the engineers on the innovation part, the way in the best technologies being implemented in all the projects, and we give technical trainings. Innovation in the sense, be it any kind of a project, we involve in innovations. So you could have definitely seen our iconic projects. So we have an innovative structures and very complicated structures which never been thought of implementing then and serving it to the country. But we did it because of innovation and utilizing the world-class technology in these significant projects. That is where we are unique in all the projects when compared to other companies. L&T is one company wherein your ideas, the engineers' ideas or views are respected by the seniors. I personally felt, very a positive feedback from all our seniors that many of our engineers who has got ample number of good ideas or suggestions in their specific projects being assigned to them. So it has been most welcomed by our seniors in accepting a proposal given by the junior staffs to have a best significantly completing the project. Assess it to the senior management. It is one of the very few companies wherein engineers or the junior staffs can reach the senior management people. So there is no hesitation for the juniors to assess the senior management and to approach them for any guidance or related. So the work culture in L&T. So we always go with the meritocracy, and we always strongly believe in high potential performers who wants to prove again and again. And here in the culture of L&T, we trust employees like how we work like a family members. So the culture and the trust openness in the company, which has resulted a very good positive feedback in our culture. So these are the opportunities for the engineers who wants to pursue their higher education once after they join L&T. So there will be a minimum time period, a minimum of 2 years or 3 years to complete their probation period. They are eligible for applying for the higher educations. We have a specific leadership development academy in Lonavala. L&T is one company who emphasizes more on the work-life balance. So we do have the art of living session every weekend. So we volunteer ourselves for the corporate social responsibilities. So these are the opportunities being given for an engineer at Larsen & Toubro. So if you have been shortlisted, you will be either allocated in this kind of a portfolios, for example, design, R&D, sales, construction management, project management, manufacturing engineering, technical services, erection and testing. So you will be posted at any of these portfolios assigned to you. So just giving you a career path of the engineers who has joined as a trainee. So when you reach 27 years of experience with high performance, you will reach a business head position in L&T, Larsen & Toubro. Initially joined as a trainee, moving on to the next level is the senior engineer. Next would be an assistant manager or engineering manager. Next would be the segment head or a chief engineer. Next would be a BU head and an XPG head and a business head. These are the few experience shared by our earlier trainees. Just to give a snapshot on them. We specifically have a campus engagement program at Facebook also to share the news, project news, campus engagement activities. And one last important note is that L&T never charges any recruitment fees. So if you find anybody demanding for a fees against recruitment, you may kindly report it to info@larsenandtoubro.com. Finally, if you have any queries or any clarification to be on the online test part or for the interviews, kindly reach out to your TPO. We have given an intimations to all the TPOs with in the notice invite application, and we have also sent the mail to the respective TPOs about this slot for the examinations and for the interview. Interviews will happen on April 3rd tentatively. So the students who are taking the online test, kindly ensure you receive the mail from from the test platform engine. So you will be receiving a mail by today, and before the examination also you will be receiving the login credentials. Fine. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Larsen & Toubro, largest religious gathering in the globe, Kumbh Mela, wherein L&T has contributed in developing a smart solution in controlling the whole crowd.